Let's dive into the effortless process of replacing ink cartridges in the LAMY Safari fountain pens. Begin by unscrewing the barrel of the pen, then gently remove the empty cartridge from the nib feed. Next, load the new cartridge and securely screw the barrel back into place. As you do so, you'll notice the barrel tightening, seamlessly puncturing the cartridge into the nib feed. With cartridges engineered to hold a generous amount of ink, enjoy extended intervals between refills. However, were you aware that you can unleash your creativity by utilizing any fountain pen ink, even your own custom blends? With the LAMY fountain pen converter, you have the flexibility to use bottled ink with your LAMY pen. And these converters are reusable as well. Begin by twisting the knob counterclockwise to lower the piston to the bottom of the cylinder. Submerge the open end of the converter into the inkwell. Then, while keeping the open end submerged, turn the knob clockwise to draw ink into the cylinder. After wiping away any excess, firmly insert the converter into the nib feed and reattach the pen barrel.